emerging. But let's move on then to the other big story. The group of ministers has accepted the proposal to move to 5% and 18% slab structure proposed by the centre. This is on GST. Tim C joins in with the details.
Well, that's right. The ball now seems to be set rolling on a simplified GST structure. The next generation GST reforms, which the Prime Minister spoke about in his Independence Day speech from the ramparts of Red Fort, that new GST framework could be 5%, 18% and 40%. That is what sources indicated, and that's what we heard from the convener of the group of ministers on rate rationalization and other members such as Suresh Khanna and West Bengal Finance Minister Chandrima Bhattacharya. They said that all the states in the GOM are in favor of the proposal to reduce the slabs and bring it down to 5%, 18% and 40%, provided there is a calculation that centre comes up with as to what will be the estimated revenue loss and how will the centre be able to make this up. Also, the states in the GOM meeting did suggest that as they are in acceptance of the proposal, the proposal can only go through once in the council there is a detailed presentation. And yes, West Bengal, to be precise, made a plea that there should be an amendment in the Schedule 9 where they want that an additional levy beyond 40% should be available, and that should be levied to overcome the losses if in any case in future, because now compensation is ceasing. So let's see what happens finally in the GST Council meeting. Now the ball is for the GST Council to deliberate upon these proposals, whether 5%, 18% and 40% will be a reality or not, whether states will compromise on their revenue loss, something that we have to wait and watch for the Council to approve. Back to you.
जो केंद्र सरकार के प्रस्ताव हैं 2 स्लैब को समाप्त करने के लिए, उस प्रस्ताव पर हम लोगों ने विचार किया और समर्थन दिया है और हम लोग इसको रिकमेंडेशन दिए हैं। अब जीएसटी काउंसिल इसको फैसला लेकर।
सर क्या रिकमेंडेशन है सर?
हम लोगों ने जीएम के तरफ से स्पष्ट तौर पर ये निर्णय लिया है कि जो गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया के 2 प्रस्ताव आए हैं, स्लैब 12% टैक्स को खत्म करने के लिए और 28% के टैक्स को समाप्त करने के लिए, उस प्रस्ताव का समर्थन किया।
Sandeep, that's the other